Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another Saucey trading view. I'm hitting y'all with the back-to-back. I know I haven't been posting that much, so I'm, I gotta give y'all a little back-to-back, real quick. So, let's start off with, I really actually might want to clear out this chart a little bit. Yeah. So, last week, this is my draw on liquidity. We came into there. I can see us possibly getting up into this high now, especially since we broke above this fair value gap right here. We kind of used it as some form of support, and we pushed up, and now we're coming up into this high. So this high is my current draw on liquidity on a daily higher time frame. Wise, I can see it getting up into there, and then maybe next could be this fair value gap inside of here. If we break down from here, if like we really break down, then we could come lower, possibly, but I don't see us doing that. I see us more so taking out this high, but this high, it can be probable of holding right now with AU. So let me clear this out real quick. It's my AU trades I took last week. All right, take this out. All right, let's go to the 1 hour. So if I'm expecting us to run up into that high, it's not much price action that I like inside of here to potentially frame a trade off of. There's just very clean areas to me. There's no solid efficient price action. Very, very, very choppy. Only cleanness that I can see is if it dropped all the way down here. So let me actually mark this out. To be honest with y'all, I'm about to mark this out, this fair value gap right here, and see what that's looking like on a daily real quick. So it would be to this low right here. All right. What would most likely invalidate us pushing up into that high is if we take out this low. In my opinion, if we take out this low here, I don't think we're gonna be pushing up into that high. So I think we can drop down, take out these lows right here, come into this daily fair value gap right here, just wick into that imbalance, and then maybe continue up. That could happen, or we could just push up into there and then maybe reverse. But I'm not gonna take any reversals. I'm gonna keep expecting us to push up into maybe this fair value gap in this old high right here that you can see right here. Even though it could take out this high and then reverse, it could be some possible sales right there, but it would have to, my draw would still be up here even if I was to take short-term sales, right? So I would take short-term sales to that buy to get up into there. All right, but yeah, that's it with AU. For me to get interested, is gonna either have to take out this high, or it's gonna have to clean all this up right here for me to get, because this just looks low probable to me. This right here, all of that right there, it just looks low probable. All right, let's go to EU. I have not been touching EU. I've just been sitting on my hands with it. Only reason is because I'm two-sided right now. I have one draw, which is up here, and then down here, right? I'm leaning more towards price getting down into this, because we took out this high. I think price might hold this high until we get down into here. That's what I'm thinking price might do. We might come up, take out this internal liquidity that's being built up, and then maybe come lower. If it gets above here, I might watch to see what price does, and then I might take a trade. It's not gonna be on the 4 hour, but I might start looking for price to draw down into here, depending on what it does after it comes into here, right? So that's it with EU, just really sitting on my hands. Let's go to GU. Okay, so GU, I feel like it could be in like a buy model. This is like the start of the buy model, because I was bullish, right? Because we had a shift right here. We took out this right here. Excuse me. Sorry, y'all. All right, so we took out this high right here. This high right here. After we took out the lows here, pushed up higher, right? I'm expecting us. I don't really. If price is really bullish and is gonna get into this reaccumulation, redistribution right here, and gonna reaccumulate, I expect price to maybe hold this down candle, this whole range right here. I expect this to hold that. So I'm drawing this down candle out right here. I want to see price hold this. All right. If it breaks this, then I'm sitting on my hands with GU. Okay. For the more conservative people, where you really don't know, right? It would be better to wait for GU to break above this high, because we are reacting into this fair value gap right here, and then you could possibly start looking for longs to go higher. You know what I mean? Yeah, you can start looking for longs to go higher after it comes into here. Maybe if there's a down candle or something that's inside of there, especially because they redistributed right here. All right, to push up into this initial consolidation. All right, cool. All right, USD CAD. I'm still drawn to lows. We're almost there. So from last week, in my recent video, because I gave y'all back to back, I'm going over this right here. I'm expecting price to get down into there and dig into that right here. So I'm looking for this up close candle to hold price. Even though all of this is clean, I'm expecting us to hold this high until we break down that low. Right here. All right. So there we go. I wanna see price still hold this to continue lower and take out this draw, and then all of this can get cleaned up if price really wants to do that. All right, after we take out this low, or we could just continue lower. So I'm gonna keep it that simple. Right there. Let's go to the hourly. Yeah, hourly time frame. What could happen? What could happen? Look at all these consecutive down close candles are being respected. Okay, but what could happen is price could dig up, because like if you go to the 4-hour rate, you have this fair value gap right there. Okay, price could just rebalance. Price could just come up, rebalance, come up above here, and then continue down, right? So with that happening, here's a fair value gap here with a up close candle. All right, so I'm gonna put this on the menu for right now. All right, once price comes into there, you have this order block here, fair value gap. Price comes into here, I might look for an entry. If it breaks above, then I'm looking for this range to hold. Here's a fair value gap inside of that range. Here's an up candle inside of that range as well. So I'll be looking at confluence inside of here as well. But we'll see what happens. If price maybe can just rebalance just a little bit, and then we just dive in for this draw on liquidity right here. So let's see what happens next week. You guys come back to this video after USD CAD does what it do, and then we can see what happens. All right, let's go to S&P. So with S&P. All right, so we're pushing higher. We're respecting down close candles. Bullish order flow. We're inside of this daily order block. I don't expect this to hold. You got this fair value gap right above these highs. Could be buy side liquidity. You also have this range. You see this range right here? Okay, this range. Boom, boom, boom. You got this up close candle right there. This is a destination that I want to see price get up into, right? So I want to see price take out this high. With that happening, right? Hourly, we took out lows right here, came into this order block here, pushed up higher. I want to see us break and close above this high. with some you know, strength, you know what I mean, some power, get above this high, and then maybe get a retracement back to this 3 consecutive down close candles. Might come to the refinement of just this one, but I'm gonna pay attention to this whole range right here, right? So once it does that, we get above this high, close above it, I'm gonna look for entries around here, or it might be come to the lowest down here, but we already worked inside of that, and then we have this push right here and this imbalance. So mainly focus on here. Yeah, inside of here to push up. Let me draw it out because people like to see that visual purposes, right? Here, work within here, and then boom, continue up, right? And then get up into this high, this high. All right. Usually US 30, they move, they correlate, same thing. So I'm not gonna go over those. Just to keep the video kind of short. You guys can do your own due diligence with that. I want to see price get into this high. You can see we came into here. It's very messy with gold, right? Very messy. I want to clear this out a little bit. Yeah, so we came into here, broke this high, came into this down close candle right here. I expect price to push up into there. Will I take a trade inside of this range? Most likely not. Let's see. Go to the 4 hour. So you see how we held this 4 hour down close candle, right? Held this 4 hour down close candle. We should take out this high. Next objective should be 1971. 1971, right? Do a round number, just right there. Yeah, I can expect us to get up in here. Will we come all the way up here? I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna come all the way up here, but I mean, we are kind of in like a, I mean, it's bearish here, but since we never took out this low right here, which caused this big push up, and we're pushing up very nicely, not too slow, you know what I mean? So I think we could get up into here maybe and get back up into these highs, possibly. But the current objective right now is to get up into this relative equal high right here. Yep. This relative equal high here. Let me see if there could, it could be a possible entry. Stick to the 15-minute though. Yeah, I won't want to see us take out this high first, to be honest, before I even think about entries, right? I wouldn't want to like pull back into here and then continue. That's not my type of entry, so I'm most likely gonna be sitting on my hands. It could rebalance, could be like a rebalance right here, and then it continue up, or it could come lower and continue up. But I want to see us get up into this high. But yeah, that's it with the weekly outlook. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the back-to-back videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm out, bro.